welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and today I've got a treat for us all. It's a new pattern and it's free as well. It is the Cropper blanket pattern. So this is the Cropper blanket pattern, and over the past few weeks, if you've noticed, I've been alluding to this and making so many free tutorials so we can help beginners feel confident, and also for, well, adventurous beginners or experienced crocheters can really master those finishing techniques. As always with all my patterns, I like to design them so, you know, beginners can learn something, feel confident and achieve it, but also more advanced or confident crafters can, you know, they're not going to get bored, but you're also mastering and refining those little techniques that will make the execution of your crochet just take it to the next level and look amazing and professional. So I've got all the tutorials for just mastering the granny square without it looking, you know, twisted or anything like that. And if you wanted, then, you know, go ahead and do every single round a different colour. It's your blanket. And as always, we know I love a stash buster, so you could totally have it as a stash buster as well. A lot of blankets, and I've done it in the past, you can just kind of slip stitch across to crochet them together, but I find that would have just given this blanket too much bulk, and the idea is that this blanket's still lightweight enough, you know, to fold up, it's not super bulky and things like that. Another popular technique for joining squares together is to kind of crochet them together, but then you've got kind of a border all the way around, and particularly if it's stash buster, but you still want it to look coherent. I didn't want to, you know, rely on having enough yarn of the same colour to do, you know, in between every square. So, I mean, it's just beautiful. It's all the squares are nicely butted up together. So I found a new finishing technique for us all. It is sewn together, but don't leave me just yet. I promise it's just super quick, super easy. It doesn't take much yarn at all. So I'm really impressed with this new technique, and I'm hoping you will be as well. I promise you, it's just super speedy. You will be rattling it off. Because I think that's what puts a lot of people off blankets or kind of improving or doing different finishing techniques is obviously, let's not, you know, beat around the bush. There's a lot of squares, but with the new technique I've got for us all, you will be rattling it off. And another one, which is a personal game for me, the border doesn't curl. I've been crocheting for 14 years. I had a little tot up and calculate before, and I've always struggled with the border curling, or then I have to do, you know, different stitches, make it bigger than I'd like. But no, we've solved that, and that's in the free pattern as well. It's just so snuggly and beautiful, and yeah, it definitely has improved that afternoon nap for me. So this is the Cropper blanket. You can find it for free on Ravelry. I'll do a little post on the website as well. Everything will be linked down below. Digital copy as well, available on Etsy if you prefer that, and I do always do paper copies just in case people like a physical copy that I can post worldwide, and that's available on Etsy as well. Hope you enjoyed this pattern and learning new finishing techniques and improving those. Please do give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe and all that good stuff so we can continue to make more free patterns. Thank you and take care.